Mama, Kami.
On here, and now we're going to be doing the front part here. I want to make it more fluffy, so I'm using batting for the front, but you can instead, if you would like, just use a piece of felt on the front as well, but I like to make it look a little bit more fluffy, like this one here. It's got a little bit more cushion to it. This one doesn't have, this one's just with lining. So I'm doing it like this one. Okay, so we gather our cotton, just kind of round it, get it to be rounded. And we're going to glue it onto, just do a glue circle around the outer edge. We don't want to glue in the middle on this because we're going to be doing some sewing down the middle. what it should look like. See that? Really cute. Okay, so we have the back and the front. I'm going to take the back and also line it as well. Yeah, it's a little bit hot.
You're everywhere I go, can't get you off my skin. I'm stuck in this game. I know I just can't win.
Line it up. I didn't even think to pay attention to the stripe direction, but it looks like it's doing pretty good. When there's a large blob of glue on the tip of the glue gun, it'll make a mess in tight places, so I like to quickly scrape off the tip onto my tile stand. Try to keep the edge straight, but don't sweat it if it's a little off. The trim should cover it.
You're everywhere I go, can't get you off my skin. I'm stuck in this game. I know I just can't win. Boy, it's so good.
Last large circle. This is going to be the cushion right here. A tricky spot here. I'm going to make sure the stripes are going the right way. I don't know if they go striped this way or if they go this way. I'm going to make them go this way. Okay, so I'm going to glue right here on the can, or on the fabric here, and we're putting it on the can right there. It's just this side of the circle, and line it up here and then push it. And it's going to go underneath the seat cushion. Can you see that? Yep, that should work. Okay, and stuff it with cotton. This is your seat, all fluffy. If you don't have cotton, you can use other fillers like rags or even tissue if you want to. Add some glue around the edge here, this side, and then let this come down on here.
Hello, TV, Mommy.
Really? Did you find me?
Show me.
Really? I ended up using this lace trim because the other was too short. I know, I should have measured it before, but la-da-la-da-da, me distracted, remember? Did.
Oh. Like a skeleton. And this looks like Play-Doh but really hard.
Mm-hmm.
watching.